Students, welcome to the YouTube channel Access Learners. In this video we are going to see the solution of exercise set 3.1. Okay, we will see the question one by one. The chapter name is The World of Numbers, Class 9. See the first question. This chapter is very simple, especially this exercise is mostly related to the grade 8 third chapter, the story of numbers. If you get time, you can look at that also. Okay, now we will see the solution of the first question. A merchant in the port city of Lothal is exchanging bags of spices for copper ingots. Copper ingots means copper bars. Okay, he receives 15 ingots for every 2 bags of spices. If he bring 12 bags of spices to the market, how many copper ingots will he leave with? So what they had given? So it is ancient day. So there no at that time no currency. So they have used the exchange method. Okay. He receives 15 ingots for every 2 bags, right? Let me write it. Okay, for 2 bags he receives 15 copper ingots. Okay, so we will give the value for 2 bags equal to 15 copper ingots. So how much for 1 bag? For 1 bag is equal to 15 divided by 2 copper ingots. Okay, look at here, 15 by 2. It is a fraction, mixed fraction. Now we will find if he bring 12 bags of spices. Okay, so 12 bag means 12 into 1, right? For 12 bags, how much? 12 into 15 divided by 2 copper ingots. What will come if I cancel it? 6. 6 into 15, 19. So 19 copper ingots will come. Okay, he will leave it with 90 copper ingots. Okay, merchant leave with 90 copper ingots. Okay, that's all. We'll move on to the next question. Second question. Look at the sequence of the number on one column of the Isango bone. So let me show the Isango bone. See here. So this is called Isango bone. Okay. It found in Republic of Congo. Okay. It has some number notches. See the numbers. 11, 13, 17 and 19. So these numbers are there on the bone. Okay. What do these numbers have in common? So we know the numbers are 11, 13, 17 and 19. So what is the common thing between these numbers? 11, 13, 17 and 19. All are prime numbers, right? Or prime numbers, but they had taken numbers from 11 to 19. So the numbers, prime numbers between 10 and 20. Okay. Now what we need to write? List the next 3 numbers that fits this pattern. So these are prime numbers. Already we have 4 numbers, 11, 13, 17 and 19. What will be the next 3 numbers? Next 3 numbers. So 19, then 20 composite, 21, 22, 23. We can write 23. 23, then 24 will not come, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 will come. 29 is a prime number. 30 is not a prime, but 31 is a prime. So these 3 are the next 3 prime numbers. Next 3 numbers that fits in the pattern. Okay, so we completed second question also. Now we will move on to the third one. Third question. We know that natural numbers are closed under addition. We know this, right? Natural numbers are closed under addition. That means you can take any two natural numbers, okay? 5 and 9 are natural numbers. 5 plus 9 equal to 14. 14 also a natural number, so 14 is a natural number, right? So this is one of example. In the same way, we can write some more numbers. Not all the numbers, all natural numbers are closed under addition. Okay. Are they closed under subtraction? We will check it. Okay. So 5 and 9 are natural numbers, right? For subtraction. 5 minus 9 equal to what? 5 minus 9 is equal to minus 4 is an integer. So 5 minus 9 is an integer, not a natural number. So what we can say? Natural numbers are not closed under subtraction. Okay. Therefore, under subtraction. Okay. Provide a couple of examples to justify your answer. Okay, let me give one example. Already we have taken this, but I will take two more examples. Example 1. 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. Is a whole number. The second one, we will take a number that gives negative answer. So 7 minus 10. 7 minus 10 is equal to minus 3. Minus 3 is an integer. Okay, so we have given two examples. So we gave justification also. Okay, next one, fourth question. Ancient Indian used the joints of their finger to count. A practice still seen today. We also have the practice, right? We can see some students, some kids use their fingers to count. Even we also did this when we are in 7th or 8th. We use our fingers to count the numbers, to multiplication or addition. Okay. Each finger has 3 joints and a thumb is used to count them. How many can you count on one hand? Okay, see here, each finger has 3 joints and the thumb is used to count. So we will not count the joints of the thumb. We will use thumb finger to count the other joints. Okay, so how many can you count on one hand? We will see this. I will show one diagram. So see this, we are using this thumb finger for counting. Okay, so this is for counting. So we are not counting this one. So this is used to count the numbers. We are start counting the joints. So the gaps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 6, 7, 8, 9. So this will be 10, and this place is 11, and it is 12. Okay. So how many can we count? We can count 12 numbers. Okay. First one answer. We can count 12 on one. So it is for only one hand, not for both the hands. How does this relate to the ancient base 12 counting system? Okay, we already learned in the 8th standard, some other base system like 7 base system and 5 base system, right? We can relate it to the ancient based 12 counting system. In the ancient, now also we are using that dozen. A dozen is equal to what? A dozen equal to 12, right? So we also used this system. In ancient days, they have used so many systems, ancient people. Now we can relate it to 12 counting system. See this, a dozen is equal to 12. So when we use this counting system, it is very easy to count the numbers, okay? Already we have used, so no need to write if we use, okay? Counting numbers using fingers joints for 12 base 12 system. Very easy, because we have used 12 base system, right? 12 base system, and in our one hand we can count 12, so it is easy to count. We can count from 1 to 12, and we can take one finger from other hand. So in that way we can make 5 groups, right? So 5 into 12, 60. So with 2 hands we can count 60 in this way. But now we are following base 10 system. By using that system we can count only one group, 10. But if you use 12 base system, we can use 2 hands to count 60 numbers, okay? So that is very simple. You know sexagesimal system, right? So that is 60. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. That system also based on this. So if you use base 12 system with 2 hands, we can use we can count 60 numbers. So if you count 60 numbers, easily we can crack this one hexagesimal system like hour and minute calculation. So those all are very simple. Apart from that, factors of 10, 1, 2, 5 and 10. So only 4 factors. What about factors of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Count the number of factors. It has 4 factors and it has 6 factors, okay? Now if you use base 12 system, then we can split it as 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5, 6 and 12, okay? So many subdivisions will come when comparing to base 10 system, okay? So in the ancient base 12 system, with ancient base 12 system, counting a joint is very helpful to count the numbers and grouping them, okay? That's all. We finished exercise set 3.1, okay? If you have any doubt, you can send it in the comment. Apart from that, I made worksheet for each exercise. You can see them. So this is the worksheet. I will give the link of this worksheet in the description. You can check it. If you have any doubt in the worksheet, you can check the solution also. It also available in the same worksheet, okay? When you go down, see this. So 2 worksheets are there. 2 pages are there. Most of the questions are related to grade 8, because this chapter is directly linked to the story of numbers grade 8, okay? So few questions, not few questions, most of the questions are from grade 8. You can revise that also. If you want solution, you can click the blue color button to view the solution, okay? See there, I have given step by step solution. Even if you have any doubt, you can send it in the comment. I will explain. I will make a video for worksheet also, okay? Okay students, that's all. We completed our chapter, exercise. In the next video we will see the solution of 3.2, okay? Take care. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video to your friends also, okay?